Hello, my name is Warwick Gill. I'm from Australia, Brisbane. I'm a patient of MediServe here in India. I've just recently had my hip replaced. I was in agony for the last 6 months. I looked at Australia, waiting time was 1 year and 6 months. I looked in Thailand, which was going to be more expensive than India. So while staying in Thailand, Phuket, I caught a flight to New Delhi. I've been a patient for the last 10 days. They picked me up from the airport. I had my operation the next day after checking with x-rays, etc. and the doctor. I spent the next 4 days in hospital, and then I'm now in a hotel, getting my strength back, getting the hip to work. I use a walker, but the hip gets better each day and strengthens each day. I fly back to Phuket tomorrow morning and I'll continue my rehabilitation there. But I have nothing but praise for the whole exercise. I got picked up from the airport, administered to the hospital on the same day, same evening, and the operation was the next afternoon. So you compare that to Australia, you'll get on an aeroplane and come to India. Much better, great service, good surgeons, great hospital. I'm very happy. Thank you.